The photo of Khloe Kardashian that went viral earlier in 2020 that showed Khloe's new look caused a lot of debate online, mostly because Khloe didn't really look like herself. A fan has now called out Khloe Kardashian on Twitter after finding the Keeping Up with the Kardashians episode that was filmed on the same day she took the viral photos. And yeah, it's a lot of facetune. I got the tea, I'm gonna spill it here for you on IO. What's happening, friends? If you're new here, I'm Charlotte. This is InformOverload, serving you spicy trending news updates since 2015. Subscribe, turn on the bell, and if you like this video topic, you will love the playlist clickable at the top of your screen right now. But come back, I'm not finished yet. Wait. Khloe Kardashian posted a photo set to Instagram back in May of 2020. You probably remembered it, we covered it on this channel. It got a lot of people talking. She looked amazing in this photo set, but she also looked like a completely different person. Before Khloe managed to delete them, there were a ton of comments calling her out for how different she looked. Khloe even responded to a fan who asked her why she looked so different in every photo, to which she responded, "My weekly face transplant surgery." A fan on Twitter has actually found the episode of Keeping Up with the Kardashians that was shot on the same day that this photo set was taken. He posted a side-by-side photo to Twitter and it's gone viral. Here it is. Khloe is wearing the same shirt, she's got the same butterfly necklace, her hairstyle's the same. There is a 99.9999998% chance that this was taken on the same day. Remember when some of y'all were like, Khloe probably just got surgery and that's what she looks like? No, it's editing. I'm a professional, guys, I know editing when I see it. The craziest thing about this though is she actually looks amazing without the editing. She's so beautiful, I don't get it. But in a way I kinda do. It just sucks that someone who's as gorgeous as Khloe changes her appearance to this degree. What I was actually happy to see is the responses to this call out, which were less about bullying Khloe and more about empathizing with Khloe. I could not care less about the Kardashians, but I feel like this needs to be said. Y'all called Khloe ugly for years, compared her to her sisters, and made fun of her appearance since the beginning. But now she's trying to drastically change her appearance, y'all are shocked? Remember how mean everyone was to Khloe when she looked like her original self, calling her tranny and Clozilla, or before they were super famous and when people would still mix the girls up, she was the ugly Kardashian. Everyone just imagine if that was you for 1 second. Next, okay, but the second picture also doesn't have the same lighting or anything. The Kardashians and every other celebrity figure use facetune. Khloe is probably the most naturally gorgeous sister out of all of them, so I don't want to hear it. And lastly, she looks so hot in the second one anyway. I don't know why she would Photoshop herself so much. Some people still debated whether or not the photo on the left was photoshopped. The fact of the matter is, lighting, angles, posing, they make a huge difference. It's hard to compare videos and pictures because something as simple as holding your phone at eye level or just above eye level and pointing it downward will change your face shape. It'll make your eyes appear bigger because they're closer to the camera. It's gonna get rid of your jawline. But looking at the photo as opposed to the picture, something does look off, and that's because it isn't natural. When you look at a person who's had plastic surgery or a Photoshop picture, your brain can tell something is off because a face or body doesn't look or move the way it should naturally. To be honest, I do feel bad for Khloe and how much she's been hated on. Most public figures that place a lot of importance on image will make sure that every image looks perfect for the masses. It's always been that way, even with the case of like royal portraits, for example, photographs of famous figureheads. Stalin used photographs to strengthen his image, and he heavily doctored them to even change history and also what he really looked like. Elizabeth I had rotten teeth and terrible skin from wearing lead white paint, and Cleopatra was remembered as one of the most beautiful queens that ever lived, yet historians now think that she was actually a lot more plain looking than how she's depicted. Image is very important, it's synonymous with power, which is why nowadays celebrities and mainstream figureheads are very particular about their online image. Tell me your thoughts on this one down in the comments, and for now I'm gonna wrap up this video with some quick comment features. Talia loves Jimmy Page from Led Zeppelin said, "The word influencers really annoys me." Well, I love Jimmy Page, and that's all I'll say about that. Tasia Hatch said, "I feel like Mackenzie is more confident delivering the news with Charlotte next to her. Aw, like a mentor / big sis, so cute, I love." I think you're probably right. I wonder why. I wonder why that is. Cause I got her. You guys are scary sometimes. I can take you. Wanna go? Crazy Pescetti said, Charlotte, I will support my potato queen until she does something against the law. Or until you find out I do something against the law. Isn't it like some crazy statistic that most people, like 80% of people, will break a law at some point in their lives? Something crazy like that.
I think all.
Yeah, I mean, are we talking about jaywalking or like what? Because I love me some jaywalking. I'm just telling you right now. That's it for me. Thanks for watching. Leave a like on this video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you want more. I'll see you guys next time. Oh god, let's fix this. What's going on here? All right.
That main on point.
Get that main on point, girl. Y'all called Y'all called? Yeah. Y'all called Khloe ugly. You call her ugly.